Good morning, dear dumb friends. සියලුම සදහැවතුන්ට සුබ උදෑසනක් වේවා. මා මේ අවස්ථාවේ ඇමරිකාවේ ඉන්දියානා බෞද්ධ විහාරස්ථානයේ විහාර මන්දිරයේ සිට සියලු සත්වයන්ටම ආශිර්වාද ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරමින් සියලු දෙනාගේම මානසික සුවය කායික සුවය ලැබේවා කියන ප්‍රාර්ථනාව පෙරදරි කරගෙන අපි මේ මාසයේ 30 වෙනිදා සංවිධානය කරනු ලබන තිසැත්තේ ඥාන මහා පූජා පින්කමට ඔබට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න කියන කාරුණික හැඟීම් පෙරදරි කරගෙන ආශිර්වාදාත්මකව මේ පින්කම පිළිබඳව සිහිපත් කරන්නයි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ. ඉතින් 30 වෙනිදා සිකුරාදා රාත්‍රී 7ට අපි පින්කම ආරම්භ කරනවා. ඔබ ඊයේද දකින්න ඇති බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේලාගේ පිළිම වහන්සේලා නැත්නම් බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේ ජීවමානව වැඩම කරනවා හා සමානව බුදු පිළිම වහන්සේලා 100ක් නමක් මෙත්තා ධර්මශාලා තුල තැන්පත් කරන්න යෙදුණා. ඒ සියලු කටයුතු අපි සිද්ධ කරන්න යෙදුනේ 30 වෙනිදා තිසැත්තේ ඥානමය පින්කම සිද්ධ කිරීම සඳහා. සියලු ජාතීන්ට සියලු ආගමික බැතිමතුන්ට ආශිර්වාද ප්‍රාර්ථනා කිරීම, සභා දාමට ආශිර්වාද ප්‍රාර්ථනා කිරීම, අහිංසක සතා සිව්පාවට ආශිර්වාද කිරීම තමයි අපි සිද්ධ කරන්නේ 30 වෙනිදා රාත්‍රියේ මෙත්තා ධර්මශාලාව තුලදී ඇමරිකාවේ ඉන්දියානා බෞද්ධ විහාරස්ථානයේ සිට. අපි ආරාධනා කරනවා සීලම සදහැවතුන් තම තමන්ගේ හිතවතුන්ට ඥාතීන්ට දන්න කියන හැම කෙනෙකුටම මේ පණිවිඩය දැනුවත් කරන්න, ඔබට භාවනා කරන්න පුළුවන් ඒ වෙලාවේ, ඔබට ඒ අවස්ථාවේ පූජාවට සම්බන්ධ වෙලා මානසික සුවය කායික සුවය ලබා ගන්න පුළුවන්. පුංචි දුවට පුතාට සියලු දෙනාගේම ප්‍රඥාව දියුණු වෙන්න ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ ලෝකයේ 100%ක් මනස දියුණු කරපු කෙනා බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේ. ත්‍රිපිටකය කියවලා බලන්න උන්වහන්සේගේ දැනුම් සම්භාරය පිළිබඳව ලෝතර බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේ සියලු සත්‍යයන්ම කරුණාවෙන් මේ සුවාසුදාස ධර්මයේ දේශනා කළා. ඒ උන්වහන්සේ දේශනා කළ ධර්මය උන්වහන්සේගේ උතුම් ඥානයන්ගේ ආශිර්වාදයන් පෙරදරි කරගෙන අන් අයගේ ඥානයන් දිනු වේවා කියන ප්‍රාර්ථනාවෙන් තමයි අපි මේ පින්කම සිද්ධ කරන්නේ. අපි ආරාධනා කරනවා සෑම දිනකටම අපිත් එක්ක සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න. 30 වෙනිදා රාත්‍රියේ 7ට තිසැත්තේ ඥාන පූජාමය පින්කමට ඉනනතුරුව මහා පිරිත් දේශනාව සිද්ධ වෙනවා. 31 වෙනිදා සෙනසුරාදා 10 මාරට සම්බුද්ධ පූජාමය පින්කම, දහවල් දානමය පින්කම සහ කඩන චීවර පූජා පින්කම සිදු වෙනවා සදහැවතුනේ. ඉතින් මෙවර සිද්ධ වෙන සියලු කටයුතු වල සඳහා ඔබට ඉන්දියානා බුද්දිස්ට් ටෙම්පල් Facebook page එක ඔස්සේ විකාශනය කරනු ලබන අපිට ආරාධනා කරනවා අපිත් එක්ක සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න කියලා. Dear Dhamma friend, behalf of the Indiana Buddhist Temple, would like to invite all nationalities, all religion, all faith. Do you have religion or not? Don't be worried. Welcome and join us 30th on Friday at 7 p.m. Indiana Buddhist Temple, USA. We are going to do very, very peaceful, blissful, meaningful blessing ceremony. The ceremony's name is Tisattha Jnana Puja. We are going to respect our great master, teacher, awakened one, Lord Buddha's 73 knowledges, wisdom. You can join and you can watch and you can share in loving kindness thought. The same time, blessing time, your loving mother, your loving father, your brother, your sister, your daughter, your son, your all family members, your teachers, your friends, your neighbors, your countrymen, all human beings, animals, nature, and also this is a very stressful time around the world. Not continue day-to-day activities with smile and happy. What are the reason? What is the reason? Coronavirus. We are afraid. We are so sad. And some people are still right now suffering with corona around the world. They are our mothers, fathers, brothers and sisters. Whatever country they are living is okay. They are our family members. We have to thank them and we have to share in loving kindness thoughts to them. That's why we are doing this kind of special ceremony 30th on Friday at 7 p.m. And also doctors, nurses, hospital workers and loving kindness persons around the world, they are donating their time, they are donating their energy, they are donating their experiences, and they are donating their life also for our patients, our friends, our family members, our countrymen, your countrymen. Please join us 30th on Friday. We can share in our loving kindness thought all them. This is very special blessing. You can see hundreds Buddha statue we are going to organize in the Metta Dhammasala, and we are going to offer different things for the Lord Buddha's qualities, and same time we are sharing good qualities, good protection for you and all beings, including with the animals and nature. This is a very good blessing ceremony. We are going to start 30th at 7 p.m. with Wisdom Puja, Jnana Puja, Tasatya Jnana Puja. End of the puja, most venerable monks going to chant Mahamangala Sutta, highest blessing, Ratana Sutta, Jewel Sutta. It is also very blissful, meaningful, and that Sutta can protect all beings, including the nature. And Karaniya Sutta, loving kindness Sutta, Metta Sutta. The Mahapirit chanting include with Mahamangala Sutta, Ratana Sutta, and Karaniya Sutta. End of the chanting, next day on Saturday 31st, we are going to start at 10:30 a.m. offering Buddha Puja. Between puja time, monks going to offering flowers, incense, candles, different kind of beverage, medicine, food, and others for the Lord Buddha qualities. At that time also we are going to share in loving kindness thoughts, loving kindness, protection, good blessing all over the world. And after finish, people going to offer lunch for group of monks. This year we are not going to invite all of you. I am very sorry. We want to take care of your life. We are always try to take care of your life. We don't want to spread any kind of problem for your mind, physical body, your friends, your family members. That's why this ceremony not allowed many people. You can join us through the Indiana Buddhist Temple Facebook page, Bhante Devananda Facebook page, and our other Facebook pages, also Matuko Mahanama Facebook page. You can see and can join. Physically, you are not around the temple, in front of the monks, in front of the Lord Buddha, but your mind you can stay here. Mind is the highest thing in the world. Through the develop your mind, you can do everything. If you develop your mind with the right path, with right Dhamma practice, it's very good for you, your family, your friends, and all beings, including the nature. You and me not develop our mind with the right way, right path. It is not good for my life, your life, and all beings, including the nature. The Buddha preached to us Dharma. Dharma always explained to us how to continue this life, developing, sharing good human qualities. Do you want to be a better human being? Do you want to be a better good person? You want to be a good friend? Do you want to be a good family members? Please listen Dhamma, study Dhamma, read Dhamma, and practice Dhamma. Through the practice, you can continue this life with healthy mind and healthy body. The Buddhism, Buddhist teaching, Buddhist practice, ritual and meditation. Do you interest into listen, read, practice? Please welcome. You don't have to worry about your religion path. Buddhism supporting to you through the practice Buddhist. You can continue your faith, your religion with loving kindness thought, with happy, with a smile. Buddhist practice having wonderful benefits. Benefits always we can, all the benefits going to take care of you and others, including the animals and nature. I would like to invite all of you. You are interested, please join us, and you can share in this message your friend to friend, your family to family, village to village, country to country. This is a very, very good blessing ceremony. That's why I would like to invite all of you. Indiana Buddhist Temple, USA, we are always doing these kind of spiritual activities with different kind of nationalities and different kind of religions, faith. Some people don't have religion, some people don't practice religion, some people don't believe religion. It's okay. It is their freedom. But good teaching, good practice, good for all beings. That's why we are always invite you. Indiana Buddhist Temple, USA, we are always try to support my society and your society. Do we have good society, good members from the society? You and me can continue our life with healthy, happily, and without any kind of problems. Nowadays, many kind of problems around the world. With my experiences, with my understanding, some people are not practice right, not listen right, not read right, not involved with the right society. And also some teachers are not teaching, not teach. For their society with loving kindness thoughts. Behind the curtain, sometimes they are looking for, waiting for different kind of selfish things. That's why they don't want to support to develop societies, people's wisdom. And some advices also around the world. Some good, some so-so, some are not really loving kind. They are also looking for different kind of things behind the curtain. They are running different kind of things. They need sometimes power. They want to keep a group of people, money, and different kind of material things. That's why they don't want to support. That's why they don't want to give to chance to develop wisdom. The Buddhist teaching, kind teachers, kind advisors, meditation teachers, who is kind? They are kind, they are generous, they are really good. They are always try to support to society with kind action, with the kind thoughts. I think we are planning to do very good blessings ceremony end of this month, 30th and 31st. Please welcome and join us. This is a beautiful ceremony. I hope some people are here. The 2,600 years ago, our great master, teacher, awakened one Lord Buddha. He had, I think, Buddha. Some people donate for the group of monks, including the Lord Buddha, different kind of monastery, temples, spiritual places around India. The one of famous spiritual person, his name is Anathapindika. He donated a very beautiful temple. I hope 30th on Friday in the evening, Metta Dhammasala going to be look like beautiful, peaceful, spiritual monastery. You can see over, I think you can see 100 Buddha statues around the Dhammasala. Through the Buddha statue, through the offering, flower, incense, candles and other things, your mind going to be very happy. And you can radiate beautiful thoughts, beautiful ideas, kind thoughts between the Satyajnana Puja, blessing time, chanting time and annual Kathina ceremony time. Okay? Now I am going to do a special, I am going to read very special poem. This poem included the good blessing. It's a very meaningful Sinhalese poem. You can listen. You don't have to be worried about the meaning. It's very meaningful, okay? Sanasumiran doratu erila lo satung sin sisil veva sielu duk dom nan sindiva dam suwadin ada niviva ගැටලු ඉඳ හිට නැගෙන තරමට විසඳුමන්නේ සමග වේවා සමාදානය සිසිල ඇතිවී ලෝක සාමය උදාවේවා. These poems explain to us how to develop kindness, compassion, and how to develop kindness and compassion. Your mind, your thought, your action always radiate in good qualities, yourself and others, and also you kind, you generous, his meanings, you always like peace and you always radiate peace by yourself and others, including the animals and nature. This is very, very good, very, very meaningful poem. And also, the between Tesatya Jnana Puja time, monks going to chant and I'm going to read our great master Lord Buddha awakened one's 73 jnana wisdom. It is very good time. I am going to read a few Lord Buddha's wisdom. This is a Pali, but very, very meaningful. Do you want to practice meditation and you can, do you want to breathe in and out with Lord Buddha's, with the jnana, right? How to, you can remind or you can read and you can remember Buddha's wisdom names with the meditation. For example, you can breathe in with, first you have to sit comfortably, first you have to find peaceful place, sit in a comfortable position. Do you comfortable on the cushion? Welcome. Do you comfortable with the chairs? Welcome. Do you comfortable with the bench? Welcome. Do you have any kind of back problem, knees problem, or any kind of problems? We are human being, right? We have different kind of problems. You can practice meditation stand, and also you can do the lie like lay down. Whatever comfortable you, it is most important and important in your mind, right? You can breathe in and with Dukkhe Jnanam Buddha Jnana. You can breathe in and out with Dukkhe Jnanam Buddha Jnana. Breathing in with Dukkhe Jnanam Buddha Jnana. The same way breathing out with Dukkhe Jnanam Buddha Jnana. This is very simple meditation practice, but results are very good. Benefits are very good, wonderful. Meditation practice good for all human beings. Meditation practice, Dhamma practice, Lord Buddha's teaching. My dear Dhamma friend, believe me, not only Buddhist followers. Buddhist teaching, not like actually religion. This is a good subject. Philosophy. Different people explain with a different way. Do you want to understand Buddhism, Buddhist teaching? You have to study and practice. Not only enough study, right? You study and study. After, what you are going to do? You are faced with a test from the university, school, right? Community college, right? This is the same way. Study and practice. After practice, you will have good benefits. That's why Buddhism is not only for the Buddhist followers. Do you want to be a good human being, good society member, good family member, good friend, good religion person? Please read Tripitaka. They are very good. They have very good teaching for all human beings. And do you want to keep your peaceful mind morning, daytime, evening, after wake up early in the morning, before go to school, job, and after lunch, and also before go to bed in the night time? They are the good time to practice meditation. You can sit comfortably, relax your body, mind, and breathing in and out with positive thoughts. First, think yourself kindly, and later you can radiate loving kindness thought to your mother, father, your family member, your close friend, right? So your children, your teachers, your animals, and nature, and go to sleep. Go to work, go to job, go to school. You can continue your day-to-day life after meditation practice with happy. Do you happy? You are happy. Around your friends, your workers, your followers also very happy, including the animals and nature. Okay, I'm going to give some advice or few Dhamma message in the future also. I'm going to read few Buddha's wisdom. You can read, you can listen, and you can share in your loving kindness thought by yourself and all beings. Dukkhe jnanang buddha jnanang dukkha samudaye jnanang buddha jnanang dukkha nirodhe Jnanang Buddha Jnanang Dukkha Nirodha Gamini Patipadaya Jnanang Buddha Jnanang Anta Sambide Jnanang Buddha Jnanang Dhamma Patisambide Jnanang Buddha Jnanang. Dear Dhamma friends, we are going to chant on Friday, 30th on Friday, at 7 p.m. Lord Buddha's 73 wisdoms, 73 knowledges. I would like to invite all of you. Do you have free time before 30th on Friday? Please read. Those are meanings. You can read Pali, you can read English, you can read Sinhala language, different languages right now around the world. You can search online the 37 of Lord Buddha's wisdom jnana. And you can understand before lesson, joint, read our 30th Tisatya Jnana celebration. Do you understand more and more meanings? Before join with Buddhist practice, you will have good result, right? Because you know their meanings. Some people are continuing continue ritual and other things from the different religions. Sometimes they don't understand what are the meanings. With meaning, me and you are joined with the celebrations, activities, meditation, Dhamma practice. Very easy to find happiness, very easy to find good luck, very easy to find peaceful life, very easy to take care of mind and physical body and family life, friendship and all things, and very easy to go to enlightenment, right? Understand is most important. That's why our Lord Buddha preached to us: read, listen, understand. There is not enough practice and practice. Through the practice, we will have good result. Okay, my name is Bhante Devananda. I am originally from Sri Lanka. I am living at Indiana Buddhist Temple, USA. I would like to give to my hand with loving kindness thought. All of you, all religion, all faith, do you have religion or not? And all nationalities, welcome, join us. We are try to radiate loving kindness thoughts, all of you, and animals and nature. Your good thoughts, your good action, they are the good karma. They are always protect your mind, protect your life, protect your family, protect your friend, protect your children, protect your teachers, protect your neighbors, protect your countrymen, protect your all over the world, include with animal and nature. May the Holy Triple Gem bless you and protect you. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.